Hey, I will suck your toes, woman.
Oh my. Her face, she was so
Yo, wait,
flabbergasted.
wait, 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 wait. How old are you?
I'm
We
eight,
don't want you.
I'm 18.
Oh, perfect. All right, let me make sure. You are very beautiful.
You are very beautiful.
I'm just showed you my toes by accident.
No, but it's fine. Like you have very nice toes. I'm full fetish. I will suck your toes. I will eat your toes.
For real?
Yeah, and that ass.